Are you looking for the best vlogging cameras for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the 8 best cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Canon PowerShot ELPH 180. Although the Canon PowerShot ELPH 180 is a budget option, this model produces high-quality videos using 720p HD video capabilities and a 20.2 megapixel CCD sensor combined with a Digic 4 Plus image processor. This ensures great image quality each and every time. Simply press the dedicated movie button and you're ready to record. Unwanted scenes can be deleted afterward using the playback mode. Moreover, the Smart Auto feature selects the optimum settings based on 32 predefined shooting situations, enabling you to save time and maintain consistency between videos. The wide-angle lens enables you to capture a large shooting range, 28mm to 24mm, and offers flexibility when shooting in different locations. The 8x optical zoom with an optical image stabilizer works with the digital IS to reduce shake and the effects of subject movement, enabling you to capture high-quality images with ease. It also features Eco Mode to optimize the battery life. Although the camera can be woken from standby mode with just a touch of a button, this compact model is available in either red or silver. Number 2. GoPro Hero7. This is a fantastic model from GoPro that enables you to take high-quality videos from pretty much anywhere, and at $150, it's very reasonably priced. This model is particularly useful for recording on the go, as it's tiny, compact, tough, and totally waterproof. Plus, it has voice control, so a simple command such as GoPro Start Recording will activate the video function. With a GoPro Plus subscription, you can automatically upload everything to the cloud. This also helps videos to look more professional, as it eliminates the need to lean in to press buttons. Plus, portrait mode is perfect for vlogging. Videos are recorded in full HD, and video stabilization ensures they're as smooth and stable as possible, even if you're swimming or running around. Moreover, you're able to shoot time-lapse videos to turn long events into shorter, shareable moments. The Hero7 camera is 10 megapixels and able to utilize burst mode, which takes 15 photos in a single second, meaning you never have to miss a moment. It also has touch zoom for both photos and videos, meaning you can adjust by just touching the screen. For an extra $30, you can also purchase the head strap. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix FZ80. Panasonic states that the Lumix FZ80 it's a great all-rounder that will suit everyone. That seems to be a fair comment, as the features and capabilities mean you're unlikely to need much else. The 18.1 megapixel camera features a super long lens, 20mm 1200mm, that is optically stabilized with Panasonic's PowerOIS technology. High-resolution 4K video technology enables you to capture even fast-paced, on-the-go action in stunning Ultra HD quality, up to 4 times the resolution of standard Full HD. Plus, the innovative 4K photo feature enables you to create printable photos from videos. Simply play, pause, and save to extract the exact instant you want from individual frames to create 4K still images. Panasonic's 4K technology post-focus feature allows you to set your desired focus points after the photo has been taken. Plus, selecting several focus points via the focus stacking feature provides greater depth of focus. Lastly, this model Wi-Fi connectivity to mobile devices for on-the-go convenience. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix G7 The Panasonic Lumix G7 4K has all the same features as the previous, including high-resolution 4K video technology to provide Ultra HD quality, 4K photo, to create still photos from videos, and post-focus, and Wi-Fi connectivity. It's worth noting that the camera is 16 megapixels, but it features a next-generation intelligent image processor. There's also a high-resolution OLED live viewfinder with 10000:1 contrast for high visibility, plus, the tilt/swivel touch display adjusts for optimum clarity. Depth from defocus and autofocus technology calculates the distance to subjects, then quickly adjusts the focus. The silent shooting feature minimizes shutter noise, meaning you can record and take photos absolutely anywhere. The starlight feature lets you clearly capture subjects using only moonlight as a light source using for EV low light autofocus, so you'll never have to miss an opportunity to capture the moment. Lastly, you can expand this camera's capabilities with optional accessories such as the DMW FL580L external flash and DMW MS2 stereo/shotgun microphone. Number 5. Canon EOS M50. This camera features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and a Digic 8 image processor to deliver clear, precise details, stunning range, and incredible color. Moreover, the dual-pixel CMOS autofocus enables you to get the perfect photo just as the moment happens, and stay in focus all the time while making a video. The vari-angle touchscreen LCD monitor is flexible enough to allow for easy video filming from both high and low angles, plus, videos and photos can be reviewed before they're saved. Otherwise, automatically transfer pictures and videos to a compatible device for easy backup and online uploading, or even print directly using a compatible printer. The EOS M50 camera records in 4K Ultra HD 24p using both autofocus and manual focus, giving your videos a look that has been described by Canon as being beautifully cinematic look. You can also shoot in full HD 1080p or opt for a smooth slow motion effect using high-speed 120p in HD. The choice is yours, but you can guarantee it will provide high-quality results. Number 6. Panasonic Lumix G85. The Panasonic Lumix G85 has the same features as the previous two, including a 16-megapixel camera, high-resolution 4K video technology to provide Ultra HD quality, 4K photo, to create still photos from videos, and post-focus, and Wi-Fi connectivity. Autofocus technology, the silent shooting feature, which minimizes shutter noise, and the starlight feature, which lets you clearly capture subjects using only moonlight as a light source using for EV low-light autofocus, are also featured. However, according to Panasonic, the Lumix G85 is a step up for the following reasons. The camera's filter apparently results in a nearly 10% boost in fine detail, plus, it integrates a 5-axis gyro sensor and dual I.S.2 image stabilizer for more effective handshake correction and compensation for shots up to 5 f-stops. Lastly, the model is completely splash and dustproof, meaning it's ideal for use while traveling or outdoors. Number 7. Panasonic LUMIX GX9. This model has the same features as the cheaper Panasonic models featured on this list, including high-resolution 4K video technology to provide Ultra HD quality, 4K photo and post-focus, Wi-Fi connectivity, autofocus technology, the silent shooting feature, which minimizes shutter noise, and the starlight feature, which lets you clearly capture subjects using only moonlight as a light source using for EV low-light autofocus. However, the Lumix GX9 has a 20.3 megapixel camera and also features a high-resolution MOS sensor with tuned 3-dimensional color control to detect hue, saturation, and brightness for optimal results. It also combines an optical image stabilizer, 2-axis, and an in-body image stabilizer, 5-axis, plus, the 5-axis dual IS enables up to 4-stop slower shutter speeds. The 2760K high-resolution LFV tilts up by roughly 80 degrees, with nearly 100% color reproduction, 1.39x/0.7x magnification, and 100% field of view. Lastly, the autofocus is improved compared with previous models, with a total of 49 preset focus points. Number 8. Sony A6600. The Sony Alpha A6600 is the first Sony model featured on this list, and it certainly doesn't disappoint. Its hybrid autofocus is the fastest available, at 0.02 seconds, with real-time autofocus, object tracking, and contrast detection, and covering approximately 84% of the image area. This brings accuracy, high speed, and tracking performance to the 4K video capabilities, which improves the overall quality. The 5-axis image stabilization ensures stunning image quality for high-resolution 4K HDR, HLG, movie recording as well as still images. Moreover, the high-capacity battery and mic and headphone jacks support easy and efficient filmmaking, and built-in Wi-Fi allows for easy sharing. Across a wide sensitivity range of ISO 100 to 32,000, expanded to ISO 50 to 100 and 2400, this model delivers excellent low-noise performance for high-quality images even in dimly lit settings, so you'll never have to miss an opportunity to capture the moment. Additionally, the LCD monitor makes taking portrait images and videos easy.